Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm Beyond Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos of React 18, we have learned about many things using React 18. In the previous video, I've told you how to install Bootstrap in your React 18 and how to use that. So today we are also doing a different thing using React 18. When we'll be moving forward, I'll be telling you what the tag we will be using today in this video. But now today I will be now just telling you the different things using React 18 which we'll be doing moving forward, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video as well. So if you enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos. And remember to check my all the previous videos as well. Like I've uploaded React 18 tutorial from start, but I've not ended that yet. But previously on, we have just built many of the videos in which we have learned about like how to create a React tab and how to just set up our React environment, so that will giving you help. And remember to check my all the future videos also which I'll be uploading. For that you have to hit notification bell, share this video as well, so more and more people can learn about these things, and I can just also means I can just also teach them how to build these amazing projects using React 18 or any other languages. We are also building the projects using different languages as well. Like you all know that when I'm uploading these React 18 series, we are also uploading the big videos using Next.js 13, React 18. We have also built a React Native app previously on of e-commerce app. You can also check that out if you want to learn about that languages, because that will also giving you help. But if you want to learn from start, so you can also tell me and you can suggest me what tutorials I should make on which language from start to end. So I'll be building that. Like I'm doing React 18 tutorial now, so when it will be finished, I will be doing another language tutorial. You can suggest me what tutorial I can do for you, so I can just teach you how to learn that language. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing what project is about today video and how we are building it from start. So today in this video, I will be telling you how to just build this project here. And today I will be telling you how to use, or you can say how to build list using Bootstrap. So just now we'll be starting with that, and we will be just using React 18 here. And like in the previous video, we have downloaded, or you can say we have installed Bootstrap in our React 18. So we will be using Bootstrap to build, you can say, unordered list, plus we will be also just building it is table. So just now we'll be starting with that. So for building this unordered list in table, you have to open your VS Code text editor, and after opening your VS Code text editor, here I will be just going to my file, and then here you have to press open folder, then move to local disk E, and after moving to local disk E, we are getting this app1 written here. Then you have to now press select folder. After selecting this folder, you can see we are getting all this stuff like we were using in the previous videos. Then I will be raising all this stuff from here directly. Now when you erase, just you have to save this thing, press Ctrl B to close side panel. Here I will be now opening it in my default Google Chrome browser here. So now just I am getting my Google Chrome browser on desktop. Here this our file is. So here I will be now. Just first of all, you have to not open it here, we have to run it. So for running, you have to write the command of npm start. Then when you will be writing this command, it will be taking some time to run your React tab, and it will be opening it in our default Microsoft Edge browser, which we were using in the previous videos as well. And now you can see I've erased all the codes which we were getting previously on, because in the previous video we have learned about how to install Bootstrap. But I think that we should not be erasing this code, because we will be needing when we are building our table here. So you also don't erase if you have written this code, and if you have checked my previous videos. And we have to erase this h1, so we can just write our own code moving down. So here we are just getting the CDN link of 3.3.7 version. Here you can use any latest version as well if you want to use that, but here I'm using the older version, so I can just show you. But here it's your choice, you can use older or latest version. You can use any of the version here to build this project here of table and ordered list. So here I will be doing side by side. Our Microsoft Edge browser is now running here like this. So like this I will be now doing. Press Ctrl B to close the side panel like this thing. And after just closing this, here I will be now moving down, and you can see we are getting here the text which is saying compiled successfully. You can now view app1 in browser. So you can see we are getting the local network here. Then we are just getting on your network here. So we are using localhost 3000. Then we are also getting the note that the development build is not optimized to create a production like this. Then webpack compiled successfully like this we are getting. Now when you are getting this, we are just now getting this text here which is written like this. So here I will be now moving down after this text. Then we have to start our table which we are building. So we have changed the title as well in the previous video using Bootstrap. it is written Bootstrap is used here. So I will be changing the title and taking this title to like table. So I will be moving in this file. Then you have to write here title, which should be like, here I will be writing Bootstrap table. So you can see now we are getting the title of Bootstrap table. Then move to this app.js file because we will be working with this here, and press Ctrl B now because we will be not needing any of the file from here. We will be using this only file here. Now for making the table, you have to write here a table text. So here I will be writing table. Then you have to write here border is equals to 2 like this. Here you have to write, save this. Then you will be just now getting the table here. So we are not getting the table because we have not written anything in our table here. So I will be writing here tr. In tr you have to now just write like th, and in th I will be writing head. Then you have to save. So we are just getting head here. Then I will be copying this head from here, and you have to paste it 3 times here as well. Then you have to save it, and we are getting the head here, you can see. So here I will be now doing one thing. I will be now giving it the heading here, and in heading I will be just now writing a text which should be like category. So here I will be writing name. Then I will be now just writing here password. Then move down and write here email. So like this I'm writing 3 categories here on my table. Save this. Now we are getting these 3 categories here if I show you. And after getting these 3 categories, you have to move down after this tag, and then after moving down just you have to write here td. Then in td I will be writing th again, in which I will be writing here name. Like I will be writing my name. You can see I'm getting my name here. And after getting this name, you have to copy this name from here directly. So Control Z, copy this, paste it here, save. Now we are getting this text in name here only. So if you want that it should be coming in password. So for getting it in password, you have to just do one thing. You have to erase this stuff. And after erasing, just you have to move down. Then I will be now doing one thing. I'll be pressing BR. So here I will be taking the BR tag as it is to make it down. Then I'll be pasting it. Then again BR tag, paste it, save. Now we are getting it down. You can see this here by giving some spacing. Then I want that it should be coming in password. So for getting it in password, you have to now just make this tag here. So we have written this. Okay, I think that BR should be erased. Save. Now we are just getting it here like this. Now when you are getting, if I just show you, you can see we are getting here name. And after getting the name, I will be now just putting here the another td tag. And after putting the td tag, you have to now just write here th. In th I will be writing password. Like if I write password 123 pass 123, then here you have to now just write td, and in td I will be writing here th. In th I will be now writing email @ this is the random email I am writing. You can also write that to check. So you can see now we are getting the password here, then the email as well we are getting it here. So means that our table is working. So you can just use this as it is here. So here I will be now moving. Then you can write here td and here as well. Then you have to save, and you can see now we are just getting it here like this. And simply here as well you have to do same thing. And then you have to move here, and here as well you have to do save. Now we are getting this thing here. Then I will be now just writing tr. So here I will be now writing like this, save. So here you can see we are just getting now. And when you're getting this thing, just here I will be now moving in this tag. And after moving here, I will be just writing here th. Save this. Okay, so we have to close this tag also. Now save. So we are just getting it here like this. Now I will be writing here td. Save. Now we are just getting this thing. So here I will be now moving it down. Paste this. Simply I will be now writing here td. Right here td. Then here I will be now just moving down and then save it. And you can see we are just getting the name here. You can see this here we are getting the names. Then if you want password here as well, so you can just copy and paste the password, so you will be getting password here as well. So this was the Bootstrap table which I want to show you, and using another list we have built the Bootstrap table using Bootstrap. In the previous video I've telling you how to install Bootstrap and how to use it. In this video I've telling you how to build an amazing table using Bootstrap and how to use an ordered list plus table to build this amazing table using Bootstrap. So I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this video. So hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos which I'll be uploading, because that will giving you help. So just I will be meeting you next project with more amazing things. But remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.